Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Rindiri Creatives. So today I spend a day with me as a construction worker in Kenya, as a young construction worker, Gen Z in Kenya. So today my job was simple. So this is the first episode of this vlog, and I'll be shooting this every week and at least 3 times per week. So this is the first day of me as a construction worker in Kenya. So check this out. Thank you for watching that video. So let's meet another time, another day for another video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's your guy Rindiri.